welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I love this new makeup routine. I was really feeling myself. It looks so effortless and natural, and it kind of looks like I'm not wearing any makeup. So first I prime my skin with some moisturizer, and then I put on some e.l.f. Wow Glow sun cream. And honestly guys, like, I love this sun cream so much. Like, when you wear it, it makes you look like you're wearing foundation, and you're literally not. Like, it's just a tinted SPF. It's so good. And yeah, it's not irritating to the skin or anything, and they have it in 3 different shades, I believe. So yeah, I just like to massage it into my skin. I like to do it with my fingers because I feel like it gives me a more natural look than with a beauty blender. And also I feel like a beauty blender, it soaks a lot of the product up. And then I use my e.l.f. skin tint, and guys, I love this product so much. It looks so glowy, and with the SPF it makes it look like I'm wearing foundation, and I'm literally not. And then I like to, again, just massage it in with my fingers, and just to give me the most natural look. I feel like it looks even more natural than when you use a beauty blender. And then I like to massage it in with the makeup brush as well. And then I use the number 7 foundation. This foundation is so lightweight, like it literally feels like you're wearing a serum. And yes, I only use 1 pump because I feel like you only need 1 pump, to be honest. And yeah, it just feels like you're putting serum on your skin. Like, it doesn't even feel like you're putting foundation on. And a lot of foundations feel really thick or heavy on the skin, but this doesn't. Like, it's just so lightweight. And as before, I like to massage it in with my fingers to give me a very natural look. And I like to massage it down onto my neck as well, just so that there's not like a difference in the skin colour. Yeah. And then I use a makeup brush just to make sure it's all blended in perfectly. And I think this is so important, just to make sure that, you know, there's no like skin left that doesn't have any product on. Then I use this Pixie blush in the colour Ruby, and I love this colour. Like, it's literally a bright red, and I think it looks so nice with my skin tone. It looks very natural, and it really looks like you're flushed or like you're blushing. And then I just blend it in with a brush to give me that natural look. And I also like putting a bit on my eyelids as well, because I don't know, I feel like it just looks nice. And I like to smile when I'm doing it to make sure that I'm putting it on the apples of my cheeks and to give me that really natural look. Then I use a contour from Revolution, and I love this shade. I feel like it looks super natural on my skin, so I really like this as well, especially because a lot of the products I use are very glowy, and this is mattifying, so it just helps to, yeah, just make it look, again, just more natural. And I like to blend the product in with my brush, and then I like to use a bigger brush and just blend it in even more, just to make sure that there aren't any sharp lines and to make it all look just very natural. And then I use this Milani blush. It's so pretty. Like, look at that colour. Like, it's just so pretty. Yeah. So I use that as well. So first I like to use a cream blush, and then I like to put on a bit of powder blush as well. And then I use this Morphe palette, which is more cool toned, and I use the lighter brown shade, and I just blend it into the corners of my eyes to give my eyes more depth. And I just love this look so much. It looks, again, just very natural. And yeah, I just do it on both eyes, and then I blend so much to make it look very natural. I love this eyeshadow palette so much. It's a cool toned eyeshadow palette, so I feel like that suits my complexion very nicely, because I think I'm cool toned. I haven't got my colour analysis theory done yet, but I will at some point. And yeah, so I just blend it in. a lot, and then I use a darker shade, so like a darker brown, and I just put a tiny bit because it's a very pigmented palette. And yeah, I just blend it in the same as I did before, and I just do that on both eyelids. And then I like to use this Revolution highlighter palette, and I love this highlighter palette so much. It's just so natural. And then I go in with the Milani blush again because I love blush so much. And yeah, it's just such a beautiful blush colour, like so gorgeous. Okay, so what next? Oh yes, my mascara. I love this mascara. It makes your eyelashes look so long, and again, I think it looks very natural. And a trick I've learned to make it look even more natural is I'll go in with a spoolie after, and that helps get rid of any clumps, and I feel like it also accentuates what the mascara's done, so it just makes your eyelashes look even longer and more defined, I personally think. And I will do this on the top and bottom eyelashes as well, just to give that natural looking effect. And because it was Christmas time when I was filming this video, I used my pink glittery highlighter, which is so beautiful, and I put that on the corners of my eyes, which I think looks so nice for Christmas time and New Year's as well. It's just a very festive highlighter. And then I just try and blend that in, so just put it in the corners of my eyes, and I like to put it on the highlights of my cheeks as well, just to accentuate my cheekbones. Then I will go in with my Clarins lip gloss, which is my all-time favourite lip gloss. It's just so beautiful, like, and the colour as well. I think it just looks so natural, and I don't know, I think it accentuates my features as well. So love this lip gloss so much. Okay, and then we did a hair flick, and I am very happy with the end results. And I'm just fixing up my hair because I actually just washed my hair that morning. So yeah, I'm so happy with the result. Let me know what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know if there's any videos you guys want me to do.